Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Today we will start a new topic, that is perimeter. So what do you mean by this word perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all the sides of a closed figure. First of all, we should be aware from the term that is closed figure. Class or the students, closed figure is that figure in which the starting point and the ending point is same. Let us take this example. This is one figure which I have made. I have started making the figure from this point and the ending point of this figure is this. In this, the starting point and the ending point is different. So we can say that this is not the closed figure. But let us take this one figure in which I have started making the figure from this point and my end point of this figure is this. So when the starting point and the ending point is same of any figure, so we can say that that is called as a closed figure. Clear? Now the perimeter is sum. Sum means plus. We have to add all the length of all sides of the closed figure to calculate the perimeter. Right? See here, there are many closed figures: triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon and many more. Right? So let's discuss about the perimeter of the triangle. This is my closed figure. First of all, we have to ensure that whether my figure is a closed figure or it is a open figure, right? Yes, it is a closed figure. So now what we have to do to find out the perimeter? We have to find out the sum of its all sides. So we will plus them. Our AB is 5 meter, AC is 3 meter and BC is 2 meter. So to find out the perimeter, we will add all. 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 10 meter. Now let's move to the rectangle. Yes, the rectangle is that closed figure in which total 4 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second property of this rectangle is that opposite sides are equal. See, if AB is 5 meter, then CD will also be 5 meter. If BC is 2 meter, then AD will also be 2 meter. Now the question is saying that find out the perimeter. So what we have to do? We have to plus all the length of its sides, right? So AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. When we will add all the sides, we will get 14 meter as the perimeter. Now let's move to the next closed figure, that is square. What is square? A square is that closed figure in which total 4 sides are there. First property is same of both the shapes. Whether it is a rectangle and square, both have 4 sides only. But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal and in square, all the sides are equal to each other. If AB is 5 meter, then BC will also be 5 meter, CD and AD will also be 5 meter. We will add all the sides and the perimeter of this square shape will be 20 meter. Now let's move to the next figure, that is pentagon. Pentagon means a figure in which total 5 sides are there. A figure in which total 5 sides are there. We are not required to discuss about the names of the figure. No, we have to just understand about the perimeter. It means if we are having 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, it doesn't matter. To find out the perimeter, we have to just add all the sides. That's it. Clear? So now we will add all the sides. Here it is given to us. BC is 3 meter. AB is 2 meter, AE is 2 meter, ED is 3 meter and CD is 4 meter. So to find out the perimeter, what we will do? We will add all the length of its sides and we will get the perimeter. So our answer is 14 meter. I hope so students that this word or this term perimeter is clear to you people now. Now we will find out the perimeter of different shapes with the help of formula, right? So first shape is equilateral triangle. Students, equilateral triangle is that triangle in which all sides are equal, as the name of the triangle is equilateral. Equi means equal. When all the sides of a triangle are equal, in that case that triangle is known as a equilateral triangle, right? So I have taken one triangle ABC. If I have taken as ABS, S means side, so all the sides will be denoted by S only. Why? Because all sides are equal. Now I told you students that what is the perimeter of any figure, any closed figure, that sum of the lengths of its all sides. It means when we will add AB plus BC plus AC, then I will come to know the perimeter of the triangle, right? So now put the values. AB as a S plus S plus S. It is 3 times S, so we will write 3 multiply S. S means side. So we can say that equilateral triangle formula of perimeter is 3 multiply side. Clear? Now let's move to the second shape, that is rectangle. Rectangle, again we will use the same formula. Perimeter is equal to the sum of the lengths of its all sides. हम इसकी सभी sides को add करेंगे. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Now put their values. Suppose AB I have taken as a L. L means length, and I told you before 2 minutes that rectangle property is all opposite sides are equal. If AB is L, so CD will also be L. If I have taken BC as a B, so the opposite side to BC, that is AD, will also be B. Now I have put the value L plus B plus L plus B. Now we have to add. L plus L will be, students, 2L. B plus B, as they are 2 times, so we will write 2B. And the general formula of the rectangle will be 2 multiply bracket open L plus B, means length plus breadth bracket close. Clear? Now let's move to the third figure, that is square. As I told, the square property is that all sides are equal to each other. So if I have taken AB as a S, so all the sides will be denoted by S only. Again we will use the same formula. Perimeter is equal to the sum of the lengths of its all sides. So let's plus all the sides. S plus S plus S plus S, as S is here 4 times, so we will write 4 multiply S. S I have considered as a side, so the general formula of the square will be 4 multiply side. Clear everyone?